Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss the question number 7 in exercise 8.1. The question number 7 is find the smallest part of the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square, which is cut off by the line x is equals to a by root 2. So as you know that x is equals to a by root 2 is a line parallel to y axis, and this one is x square plus y square is equals to a square is a circle whose radius is a units and center is on origin. So let's draw the rough figure. Then this is your y axis and this is your x axis, origin x dash and y dash. So let's draw the circle. This is the circle whose equation is equals to what? X square plus y square is equals to a square. So radius of the circle is equals to a. Then this point should be equal to a comma 0, because on x axis the value of y coordinate is equals to 0. Next is what? X is equals to a by root 2 is a line parallel to y axis. So first we are consider x is equals to a by 2 is half of the radius. So this one is what? X is equals to a by 2 y. But we need to find out x is equals to a by root 2. So x is equals to a by root 2 is just greater than the value of a by 2. So therefore if this is a by 2, then a by root 2 is more than a by 2 is this one. In general, so x is equals to a by 2, sorry, a by root 2 is a line parallel to y axis. I hope all of you understand. Now see here, just to observe the first quadrant, there exists two areas. So first area and this is the second area. So first area is more than a by 2. Obviously, the second area is less than the first area. The question is find the smallest area of the circle which is cut off by the line. It means we need to find out the second area as well as what? This area also. Why? Because it doesn't given that find the smallest area of the circle which is cut off by the line x is equals to a by root 2 in first quadrant of the area. They are given that find the smallest part of the circle. So for small, if this line is x is equals to a by root 2 means it is parallel to y axis. How much area present in first quadrant, that much of area is also present in second quadrant. But we need to find out this area. So this area is equals to this area, means these two are the areas which is smaller than this area. So we need to find out this area as well as this area. As you know that circle is symmetrical about the x axis, it means we need to multiply this shaded area by what? 2. I hope all of you understand. This line is x is equals to a by root 2, then this point b should be equal to what? X coordinate of the line is what? A by root 2. And the y coordinate is what? On x axis, the y coordinate is equal to 0. I hope all of you understand. So here we can take vertical strip of width dx, and when we are going to integrate with respect to x, we must and should know the limits of x. X is varying from what? A by root 2 to a. So therefore required area is equal to area of what? Area of BAC, area of BAC. But this area is present inside the first quadrant. So how much of area present in first quadrant, that much of area is also present in fourth quadrant. That's why we need to multiply this area by what? 2. I hope all of you understand. Therefore required area A is equals to 2 into integration from a by root 2 to a. X is varying from what? a by root 2 a into what y dx. Now we are going to integrate with respect to x. So when we are going to integrate with respect to x, y should be a function of x, and that value of y in terms of x is obtained with given circle. What is the equation of circle here? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Therefore the value of y square is equal to a square minus x square. Hence the value of y is equal to what? Plus minus square root of a square minus x square. We are finding the area inside the first quadrant, so we just take the positive value of y. So therefore a is equal to 2 into integration from a by root to a. What is y? Square root of a square minus x square. Square root of a square minus x square with respect to x dx. Now integration of square root of a square minus x square is a standard formula. Just apply the formula 2 into integration of square root of a square minus x square is equal to what? X by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into what? Sin inverse of x by a over the limits a by root 2 a. So a by root 2 a. Now apply upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is a, lower limit is a by root 2. So a is equal to 2 into upper limit is what? A by 2 into square root of a square minus a square. A square minus a square is 0. So 0 into anything is 0 plus a square by 2. A square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. It's a by a. Sin inverse of a by a is what? Sin inverse. Upper limit is completed. Next minus lower limit. Lower limit is a by root 2. Apply x is equal to a by root. X by 2 means what? A by root 2 divided by 2, which is equal to a divided by 2 root 2. So a divided by 2 root 2 into square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. What is the value of x? A by root. So a by root 2 whole square is equal to a square divided by root 2 whole square. Here square root and square get cancelled, which is equal to a square divided by square root of a square minus a square divided by 2. I hope all of you understand. So a square minus a square by plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. What is the value of x? X is a by 2. So a divided by 2 divided by what? A, which is equal to what? A divided by root 2 into a. Again a and a get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by root 2. So sin inverse of 1 by root 2. I hope all of you understand. Now see here, the required area A is equal to 2 into a square by 2 into sin inverse 1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus a divided by 2 root 2 square root of a square minus a square by 2. LCM is 2. So 2 into a square minus a square divided by 2, which is equal to 2a square minus a square is a square divided by 2 under the square root a square divided by 2, which is equal to square root of a square is a divided by what? Root 2. So therefore square root of a square minus a square by 2 is equal to what? A by root. A divided by 2. I hope all of you understand. Minus into plus minus a square by 2 into the value of sin inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to 5 by 4. I hope all of you understand. Next is what? Therefore the value of a is equal to 2 into pi into a square. Pi a square divided by 2 into 2 4 minus a into a square divided by 2 into root 2 into root 2 is what? Root 2 whole square. Now this square root and square get cancelled. 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 into root 2 into root 2 is equal to 4. Therefore a square divided by 4 minus pi into a square. Pi into a square divided by 2 into 4 is 8. minus. Here a square divided by 4 is common. In numerator remaining thing is 5 divided by in denominator remaining thing is 2. I hope all of you understand. Therefore, finally required area is equals to A is equals to here 2 ones are 2 twos are get cancelled. Remaining thing is A square by 2. A square divided by 2 into here pi by minus pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 LCM is 2. So 2 pi minus pi is pi. So LCM is 2 pi by 2 minus 1. So LCM so answer is 180 minus 90 is equals to 90. How you write 90 in radian measure? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 1. Since this is area, you must write square. I hope all of you understood this. If possible,